Hey guys, this is Cindy with SeekOptics.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lenses on your Oakley Thinlink frames. So let's get started. The first step is to bring your frames towards you like this. Once you've done that, go ahead and place one thumb underneath the bridge of the nose here. So with this thumb, we're going to place our thumb here underneath the bridge of the nose. And we're actually going to be pulling or pushing up on the bridge of the nose as we pull down with our pointing finger and slide the lens out with our opposite thumb. So as we push up with our thumb, we're going to pull down with the pointing finger and slide the lens out with the opposite thumb. It's almost like if you're cracking an egg. So let's give it a go. And it should pop right out. Perfect. Now we're going to do the same thing to the other side. So again, push up with this thumb, pull down with your pointing finger as you slide the lens out with the opposing thumb. And it should pop right out. If you do hear popping sound, don't be alarmed. It's completely normal. It's just a lens unseating itself from the grooves of the frame. And now to install your new Seek Optic lenses, we're actually going to be lining up the lens to the grooves of the frame here, and inside the grooves towards the edges, there's these little notches that we're going to be hooking our lens onto. And we're going to line up this hook to the groove of the frame. And once you've done that, we're going to insert it into that notch over here in the corner. And once it's inserted into that notch, line up this hook to this groove here. And then all you got to do is just push up. So we're going to push up as you push the frame down to get it to seat in, and you should hear that pop. We're going to do the same thing to this side. So once that's lined up, we're going to be pushing the lens up as we pull down on the frame to get it to seat in. So again, push up on the lens with your thumbs as you pull down on the frame with these two fingers. And you should hear that pop. Now once you've installed your new Seek Optic lenses, go ahead and give them a nice little wipe down with your microfiber pouch. It functions as a cleaning cloth. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of any impurities that might have been left behind during the installation. So once we give it a nice little wipe down, you're good to go. Now once you've installed your new Seek Optic lenses into your frames, we would love to see how you've customized your look to fit your everyday needs. So go ahead and post a picture to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with the hashtag Seek Optics. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more updates and content. And of course, if you do have any further questions or concerns about the installation, your frames, or the lenses, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email to info@seekoptics.com.